Hi everyone! Let us see this new place that has come up in the Montrose area, and there are also 6 to 7 more cooking girl that has also sprouted up in the whole of Texas. Let me show you this place. So um, I have made a shot when I went to order to go one day, and there were requests to show the food that is served in cooking girl. The Chinese name is called Da Chu Liang, and I feel that picture outside is just so cute and interesting. So I have been ordering some food from this shop, but this is the first or second time that we have dined in. We came for our daughter's birthday just a few days ago, and would like to show you that this place is super cool. It's not very big, it's kind of cozy, and so it's cozy vibe and with a soft music, but it has been really trending because many people are coming into the restaurants. It's usually packed for lunch and dinner, especially on a weekend. If you can come on the weekday, that will be much better because weekend is really packed. Friday and Saturday and Sunday, there's lots of customer, and so many times when I went to order to go and collect my food, there has lots of people at the shop. And I'm thinking that one day I would like to try, because sometimes trying the food in the shop itself is a different feeling, because the food is served well and it's warm and the food is hot, piping hot. And that's what we did a few days ago for my daughter's birthday. We went to celebrate her birthday. Let me show a few dishes that I have ordered so that you can find the specialty of the house. We tried the peppers prawns, and I would recommend that. Also tried the fish, because for anybody that loves fish, I think the hot water boiled fish and also the spice hot fish slices are really good. I have also tried the sweet and sour fish, and you can try that as well. If you like fried fish, let them know so that they will introduce the dishes with the fried fish. While there is also steamed fish option. We tried the tofu, which is the Mapo Tofu. It is a little spicy because this is a lot of Szechuan, the pepper is used, and it's very numbing to the tongue. So be careful, and you can also let them know how much spice you like. This plate of French beans was amazing. It's just salty enough and so appetizing to eat with rice. So this is the sweet tofu, Mapo Tofu, that we eat with our rice, and it was so warm and nice. Also, check and see the pepper prawns that we ordered. Okay, so on that day, it was really delicious, and because we went on a lunch, there was less people and very cozy, I feel. The dishes that we will recommend here will be the salt pepper shrimp, and you can also try the walnut shrimp or the kung po shrimp. Some of the dishes are spicy and some of the dishes are not, so do ask the server and also the person that takes your order which one you prefer. We have also tried the orange chicken before, and also the general shao. So that is what we have tried, and the tofu entrees are really interesting. We tried the Mapo Tofu on that day, and this is what you can see. It has a little sauce and the tofu, and it's cooked very well. A little spicy, but make sure you ask and see. Like I said, check out the spice level. And we also ordered the duck, which is amazing. So all of us really truly enjoyed this meal. Check this cooking girl restaurant out. Like I said, it's not very big, so go when it's not too crowded. Don't go on a weekend if you can help it. And also there's parking is available in front of the shop, and also at the side where there's a piece of land. So I would really love to recommend this place, which we have found recently, and I feel that this could be one of the places you can find amazing food, warm food, and you can go with a friend or some family members. Check this out and have a great day. Alright, if you have liked this channel and where we find foodie adventure, we introduce where to source great food and also have some cooking recipes and ideas for you to try out at home when you don't feel like going out. So do hit the subscribe button, give me some love, give me some encouragement to continue to produce content for you to help you find good food and also prepare good food at home. Like, share and subscribe so that you can share out to people who are also looking for wonderful places to try nice food. And thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.